ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 41, శ్లోక 5. చిత్రం పిశాచ్యా నహతః కుమారః చిత్రం పురైవా కథిశౌరినేధం ఇతి ప్రశంసన్ కిల గోపలోకో భవన్ముఖాలోకరసే న్యమాంక్షీత్. Word by word meaning. Chitram meaning what a wonder. Kumaraha, the boy. Pishachya, by the demoness. Na hataha, has not been killed. Shaurina, by Vasudeva. Idam, this. Pura eva, earlier itself. Akathi, was said. Iti prashamsan, praising thus thy glory. Gopalokaha, the Gopas. Bhavan mukha lokarase, bhavataha mukasya alokaha tatra yo rasaha tasmin, meaning in the joy of looking at thy face. Nyamangshit, meaning became immersed. Full meaning. What a wonder! The boy was not killed by the demoness. This was already foretold by Vasudeva. Praising thy glory in this manner, the Gopas became immersed in the joy of looking at thy face. Om Tat Sat.